There's nothing like making a bold prediction and being proven right. But did you know that you can also make money by making predictions? Polymarket is a platform powered by blockchain technology that allows users from all around the world to bet on a huge range of events. On Polymarket, you can bet on elections, political and economic events, sports, cryptocurrency prices, and practically anything else you can think of. Here's how it works. Users purchase shares representing the outcome they're betting on. After the event happens, shares of the correct outcome are redeemed for $1, while shares of wrong outcomes become worth $0. The price of each share is a representation of the outcome's odds. For example, if a share is trading at 10 cents, that effectively means the market is giving a 10% chance to the outcome. In this example, the market is estimating the likelihood of Elon Musk no longer being a part of the Trump administration before July 2025 at 40%. You can bet on this outcome by purchasing shares for 40 cents a piece, and you will earn a 60-cent profit on each share if your prediction turns out to be correct. If you spent $100, you would get 250 shares and pocket a $150 profit if you were correct. If your prediction turned out to be wrong, you would lose the entire amount. It's also important to understand that the odds fluctuate in real time, and you can sell your shares at any time to lock in gains or prevent further losses. You don't have to wait until the event you're betting on actually happens. Before we show you how to use Polymarket, we should note that the platform has some geographical restrictions. Most notably, it doesn't provide its services to users from the United States. If you want to start betting on Polymarket, we recommend you set up a cryptocurrency wallet and load it up with some stablecoins, more specifically USDT or USDC. Stablecoins are a special type of crypto token. They are backed by real-world assets and maintain a stable price, so you don't have to worry about price volatility. If you don't have any stablecoins yet, the best way to buy them is to use a cryptocurrency exchange such as Kraken. Even though Polymarket does provide an option to top up your account with a credit card purchase, we generally don't recommend using a credit card to purchase cryptocurrency because the fees are very high. After buying some USDC or USDT, you should withdraw them to your own wallet. We recommend using MetaMask. Once your wallet is loaded up with some stablecoins and some tokens to pay for transaction fees, connect to Polymarket by clicking sign up on the top right of the Polymarket website. Then select your wallet and approve the sign-in request in your wallet. Once you're logged in, click the deposit button and select the token you want to deposit and the network you want to use it on. Make sure it matches the token you have in your wallet. Use your crypto wallet to deposit the desired amount of tokens to the provided deposit address. Soon, the balance will be credited to your Polymarket account. We've noticed that many users online are wondering if Polymarket is a legit platform. Even though they have had some controversy with regulators, Polymarket is legit. They have been operating since 2020, have a public leadership team, and enjoy a solid reputation among bettors. Although Polymarket is legitimate as a platform, it's important to keep in mind that the quality of markets on Polymarket can vary significantly. Some markets might be defined poorly, which can lead to controversy when it's time to decide which outcome is valid. We recommend you only stick to markets that have very clearly defined conditions for deciding the outcome. Polymarket operates via smart contracts, making it highly resistant to interference or manipulation. On top of that, the platform is non-custodial by design, allowing users to maintain full control over their funds at all times.